Are you ready to take your projects to the next level? Introducing the Extreme HUD Elements Bundle 1200 Plus, a game-changing collection of futuristic graphic elements that will elevate your videos, presentations, and games like never before. This bundle comes packed with stunning technological displays, sleek icons, dynamic loaders, interactive maps, and so much more. With over 1200 elements, you'll have everything you need to create your own unique interfaces effortlessly. What makes this bundle even more exciting is its ease of use. No additional plugins are required. It's ready to go the moment you download it. Plus, all elements are vector-based, which means you can scale them infinitely without losing quality. Whether your project is in HD, 4K, or even higher resolutions, the visuals will remain crisp and professional. Thanks to the built-in Alpha Transparency channel, integrating these elements into your projects is as simple as drag and drop. And if you want to match your project's color scheme, the Easy Color Control feature lets you make adjustments in just 2 clicks. But that's not all. With free updates, you'll keep getting new HUD elements, ensuring your projects stay modern and high quality. And to make your experience smoother, all elements are neatly organized into groups, so you can quickly find exactly what you're looking for. The download link is right in front of you on the screen, in the video description, and pinned in the first comment. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing templates, and follow us on TikTok and Instagram. Share this video with your friends who might find it useful. Now, let's dive into how to easily customize this template. Stay tuned. Let's learn now how we can add our own elements and how to edit them easily in Adobe Premiere. First, click on the window menu from the top, then click on Essential Graphics, then go to the right to the Essential Graphics menu that we opened just now, and click on the 3 conditions that are above each other. Then click on Manage Additional Folders, then click on Add, then choose the folder for your package items. Then click on OK. And select a group of elements in the pop-up window and drag an item to the timeline. And in the Edit tab, adjust the size, position, and color. And open Browse tab and select another group. Drag and drop element. Adjust size, position, color again. Enter your text and adjust parameters. Repeat these steps for other elements. Thanks for watching. You will find the link to these packages in front of you on the screen, in the description of this video, and in the first comment. See you later.
do 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 do